Fin number 4 is going to be pretty simple compared to the previous fin. Just because there was so much bulk on the back of fin number 3, we're not going to put a whole lot of bulk on the front of fin number 4. So first we need a flap. It's going to be 3 3/4 inches by 6.5 inches, and it's going to open out to the right. We're also going to put a pocket on that fin. We're going to use 65-pound cardstock for the pocket. For the pocket, we need a piece that is 6 1/4 inches wide by 3 inches tall. And we also need a folio. For the folio, we're going to use 65-pound cardstock, and that's going to be 11 inches. So I don't need to trim the length by 6 inches. Let's go ahead and cut the mat for the folio. That's going to be 5 1/4 by 5.75. I'm going to set the folio aside. Let's go ahead and get the flap prepared. And we need 2 mats for this at 3 by 6 1/4. Now we're going to add the pocket. And now we get to mat the pocket. So let's mat the pocket. I'm looking at my scraps I have. It's a little bit smaller than I would normally go for. However, I kind of think that'll work. You know what would make it work even better? If we double mat it. Yes. So we're going to trim this down to 6 inches. we're going to put some kind of focal image over the top there during the embellishment phase of this project. We go ahead and do the back. This is going to be interesting. This is 65-pound cardstock, and I'm going to be trimming it to 5 inches by 6.5 inches. Next, I need 2 pieces at 5 inches by 3.25 inch. And I need 2 pieces at 3.25 inch by 3 inches. First, let's go ahead and get the mat down over here. And I'm going to need a piece that's about 1 3/8 by 6.25. And I think that probably be able to get it from this. Now I need this is what it's going to be. We're going to have a pocket here, a pocket here. So we'll have 1, 2, 3 pockets. So this piece is 3.25 by 5. So we're going to need 3 by 4 7/8 actually. Well, this pocket's gonna go the other way. That's okay. I'd intended for this pocket to open this way, but it's gonna open this way. And we're going to have multiple tags and stuff that will go in those little pockets. And it's going to be kind of a mirrored image of page 2. For the fourth side, the fourth page of Fin 4, we're going to do a couple of flip outs. I was going to do a waterfall, but I think I'm going to keep kind of simple. The first cut we need is 6 inches by 6.5 inches. And this is a 110-pound cardstock. Second cut that we need is 6 by 5.5. And the third cut that we need is 4 by 5.5. We need to score all 3 of these pieces. On the 6.5 by 6, on the 6.5 inch side, scored it 1/2 inch. On the one that is 6 by 5.5, here's the 5.5 side, here's the 6 inch side. On the 6 inch side, we're going to score it at 1/2 inch. And for the one that is 4 by 5.5, we're going to score it at 1/2 inch on the 5.5 inch side.